the way that you go through this book is you can use a pen, a marker, a pencil, and on these grayed out areas where you have a design drill, you then can draw right on top of the image, okay? So what we can do is we can come through here and you can find these angles in here, which are very, very different than what's coming down through here, okay? So you can draw in the book. Another way of doing it is to use a piece of tracing paper, just wedge it in there. You can see the image, but what's nice now is you can then draw on top of it and not always come back to the artwork later. So for example, in this case, if we bring down these verticals that are saturated in this area, and then we come through here and then out through here, and what we realize is that energy is kaput. It's a depression. It's dropping the eye down and then releasing that energy. It's, oh God, do we have to continue playing this game? Okay. Now up here, above that horizontal, where the fans are, it's a different experience. They are excited, alive, yelling and having the blast of, time of their life. X's and O's. Do you see the difference in that? So that's one way of doing it. Now, another way of doing this is if you would like to use a plexiglass, okay, you can lay that on top of your image. And then there's these cool little dry eraser markers, a little eraser on top. So you just put that on there like that. And again, you can come through here and draw on your plexiglass to begin to try to understand what's going on. What's nice about that is if you're doing it wrong or not well, you can just go back and erase it and try a different strategy. So maybe you say on one time you might use a curve, try to figure out the arabesque that's going on in there, and then you come back and you might focus on the angles. Okay. So what this book is going to allow you to do, it's a workbook, and you got to work it. So what it's going to do is allow you to begin to see past the representation and really begin to see the design. Because if you cannot see the design, then you truly are not actually seeing the art. The art is in the design. Okay? And there's a whole bunch of different ways of doing that. And I'm going to go through here and show you 15 ways to be able to tell your story. So that's it. Have fun.